Hey everybody, it's Travis of Food Forest Design, Minnesota, with another quick video for you to show you how to stake the bottom of this fence around. That will keep a lot of the critters out for the most part. Smaller ones will go right through this, but once we get the rodent barrier on there, that won't be a problem. But this will take care of the bigger, the bigger ones that can get through this. But I'm gonna set you down, and let's see, where's that last one? Yeah, so right here. So, all right, you can see. All right, got these stakes like here. It's got that steel stake, and just take it here. There we go. Okay, see that? See how tight that is? Now you take these every 4 feet around the perimeter of this fence. We're going to put these, and that should keep this thing pretty tight to the ground for the most part until we get the actual rodent barrier on here. And once we put the rodent barrier on here, what we're going to do is cover it with some soil and mulch, and then we're going to plant some flowers all the way around the perimeter of this fence. Instead of digging down and putting the rodent barrier in, it's an easier way to do it. Plus, you can get some aesthetic value out of it. But anyway, I'll be back as soon as I finish this. It should probably take me about 10 minutes to go around the edge here, and then that's it. And then I have one more thing to do, and that is to hang up the plastic strips that confuse the deer or kind of alert them to a structure in front of them, because you cannot see these fences, especially at night, obviously. So those white strips will let the deer know there's something there and deter them. But anyway, grow food, not laws.